Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Betterment for Inter first year. First, gather all necessary documents like your previous mark sheets and identification. Next, visit the official Education Board website to locate the Betterment application portal. Carefully read the instructions provided on the portal to ensure you understand each step. Finally, prepare to fill out the online form accurately, double-checking all entered information before submission. To be eligible for Betterment, you typically need to have attempted all subjects in your initial Inter first-year examination. Generally, a minimum passing score, often around 35% in each subject, is a prerequisite. Ensure you have your original mark sheet, a recent passport-sized photograph, and a valid identification document, such as an Aadhaar card, readily available. These documents are crucial for verifying your identity and academic record during the application process. Begin by navigating to the designated online portal for Betterment applications on your Education Board's website. Create an account if you don't have one, then log in. Proceed to fill out the application form with your personal details, previous examination roll number, and subject choices for Betterment. Carefully upload scanned copies of your mark sheet, photograph, and ID proof, ensuring they meet the specified file size and format requirements. Review all entries before proceeding to payment. Always check the official notification for the exact application start and end dates. Missing these deadlines means you cannot apply. After filling out the form, proceed to pay the application fee, which is usually around $50, using the available online payment options. Print or save your application confirmation for future reference. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Good luck with your Betterment application.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.